Hey guys, welcome back. Gonna go over the rack for the basement home theater build. Just put it together here. This is by Echogear. It is a 20U height rack. I got it off of Amazon. I was comparing this one to a couple others. This one came with these two shelves for the same price of other ones that didn't come with any shelves. We've got a 1U sized shelf and a 2U sized shelf. So I went with this one because it already came with a couple shelves. Very easy to install. I'll show that here in just a little bit. Very simple to install. At this point it's fully installed minus, there's a couple different ways you can mount it. It is wall mountable. So if you're gonna wall mount it, it would be done at this point. If you're gonna set it on the ground, it comes with feet, 4 of them that are adjustable so that you can level it and just set it on the ground. You can also get optional casters for it so it can roll around. If it is gonna sit on the ground, it'll hold up to 600 pounds of equipment. If you wall mount it, that goes down to 200 pounds. At this point, I think I'm probably gonna leave it on the ground. I might build a little platform for it just to get it up off the ground. Other than that, I think it's done. It came with plenty of leftover parts, anchors if you were gonna mount it into a cement wall. It's solid. I mean, it's level. It doesn't flex whatsoever. Seems like it's gonna be a pretty solid rack. If you need more space, the 20U was the biggest one you can buy individually like this. You can also buy a 15U off of Amazon, maybe even a 10U if I remember right, but they're stackable as well. So I figured if this one wasn't big enough or I get to that point where I'm expanding, all I have to do is buy a 5U, 10U, one of their smaller options, and it'll stack right on top of this. So future proof with that aspect, so that was another reason why I went with this system. So I think that's it. Go ahead and show you how easy it was to assemble next. Couple basic hand tools, nothing crazy, only a couple instructions. Very simple, should work out good. See you in the next one.